Hello, friends. Welcome to the 1% Club audiobook of Trading for a Living. If you're someone who dreams of financial freedom, consistent income, and a powerful mindset, you're in the right place. This audiobook is based on Dr. Alexander Elder's legendary book, Trading for a Living, explained in simple English with real-life and daily relatable examples. If you enjoy valuable content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon on our channel. Let's dive into the world of smart trading. Chapter 1. Trading is a serious business. Most people treat trading like gambling. They ask, hey, tell me one stock that'll double my money. But trading is not a game. It's a serious business. Just like a coffee shop owner wakes up early, arranges inventory, tracks sales, a trader needs a disciplined routine to avoid loss. If you want to survive in the market, treat trading with structure, discipline, and seriousness, not emotion. Chapter 2. Psychology is everything. The market doesn't defeat traders. Their own emotions do. Fear, greed, overconfidence. These are your real enemies. Imagine someone starts a diet. 2 days in, they see pizza and forget the plan. Traders do the same. 2 profitable trades, then greed takes over and they break their system. Control your emotions. They're more dangerous than a losing trade. Chapter 3. Tools and indicators. Helpers, not masters. Technical indicators are like X-rays. They help you see inside the market, but blindly following them is dangerous. Example: a doctor doesn't treat based only on temperature. They analyze full symptoms. Similarly, a trader must combine indicators with proper analysis. Popular indicators. Moving averages shows the trend. RSI, overbought or oversold signal. MACD, trend reversals. Chapter 4. Risk management. The lifesaver. Making money once could be luck, but managing losses is a real skill. Risk management is like a seatbelt. You understand its importance only when an accident happens. Mike invested all his savings in a penny stock expecting it to triple. It dropped 80%. He didn't exit. He lost it all. Rules to remember. Never risk more than 2 to 3% of your capital on one trade. Always set a stop loss. Maintain a risk-reward ratio of at least 1 to 2. Chapter 5. A trader's daily routine. If trading is your business, you need a professional routine. Sample routine. 8 a.m. Check global and market news. 9 a.m. Analyze charts and setups. 9:30 a.m. Market opens. Follow your plan. 4 p.m. Review trades and write journal. Just like students who do homework every day feel confident during exams, traders who review daily improve faster. Chapter 6. Trading journal. Your best teacher, your best mentor in trading is not a guru, it's your own trading journal. Write down what you did, why you did it, what worked, and what failed. A cricketer watches recordings to see how they got out. A trader reads their journal to see why they lost money. What to record: entry and exit points, why you took the trade, emotions during trade, what you learned. Conclusion. End of part 1. Today we learned trading is a business, not a game. Emotional discipline is more important than analysis. Indicators are tools, not magic signals. Risk management keeps you alive. A solid routine and journaling make you grow. If this audiobook helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. This is just part 1. In part 2, we'll dive into entry and exit strategies, building your own trading system, psychology of a professional trader. Stay tuned on the 1% Club, where smart minds learn to grow. Happy trading!